Wanna know how to earn Zeni quickly in Dokkan Battle? So Zeni runs out faster than you think. So here's how to earn it fast in Dokkan Battle. First things first, just simply head to the Hercules World Tournament event. This is the best Zeni farming stage. You'll get millions per run. Also sell extra awakening medals, training items, and use as SSRs from old summons. If you have duplicate Hercules statues, sell them. They give massive Zeni instantly. And at the tip, grand story events that drop platinum Hercules statues, especially during weekends. You can also use auto battles to repeat stages while you do other stuff. Lastly, keep an eye on limited events. Some offer Zeni bonuses per run. Stack up this method and you'll never run out of cash again for training or awakening. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.